In order to make the ears for the dog, what you're going to need to do is create a slip knot, insert your hook, and now we're going to chain 6. For row 1, you are going to single crochet 4 across and then increase in the last stitch for a total of 6 stitches. Now keep in mind we are not chaining between rows, so just simply turn your work. For row 2, you're going to single crochet 5 across, increase in the last stitch for a total of 7. Now without chaining, we're going to turn, and in this next row we are going to single crochet 6 and increase in the last for a total of 8. For row 4, we are simply going to be single crocheting across, so that'll be 8 stitches in row 4. For row 5, we are going to begin decreasing, so you're going to single crochet 6 across and decrease in the last 2 stitches for a total of 7. For row 6, we are going to single crochet 5 across, decrease in the last 2 for a total of 6 stitches. And now for row 7, we are going to single crochet 4 across, decrease in the last 2 for a total of 5. And now without chaining or turning, we are just going to simply continue around, and we are going to single crochet a border along 3 sides, stopping right here at the final row. Now we are going to pull out a long tail for sewing and snip off our excess. And this is what will get sewn onto your dog's head.